Here I am up amongst my favorite friends. Obviously, took a little fall coming up here, got pretty dirty, so please excuse me. But I want to talk to you about something that relates to my fence back here with the old bucket there that resembles people's kidneys, and believe me, this thing is full of rocks and glass. And it kind of talks about people's liver. And then, of course, the fence, it's your skin, and then the barbed wire, obviously it's going to be your arteries all rusted and so on and so forth. And people don't have a solution. They think they can just keep doing what they're doing and this will get better, but it won't. And so as we look at life in general, with the suicides amongst the teens, the addictions with alcohol and gambling and pornography and just a host of things that are making us ill, the area where we're lonely and we've kind of been abandoned, and that generates the whole thing. And I would ask you, if you have a solution, obviously you're looking at it, do you have a solution for that? And if you do, what is it? Why don't we move that information to our children who are desperately looking for a solvable problem or a solvable way of taking care of their needs? They're losing hope. And that bothers me because my grandkids, who are graduating from college now with serious degrees, double majors in chemistry and biology, physics, they're just doing a wonderful thing. And yet they look at the future, what we've developed with the vulgarity, with the harshness, and they don't have a solution. Well, I do. And I was talking to my pastor friend the other day, and the quickest way to do this is to ask questions that would allow me to get invited into your life to where you know that I'm serious about helping this, and asking questions about what you need. Why is it that's driving you to the eating disorders, the drinking disorders that we're involved in? And could we not reach in and give you purpose and a lifestyle that would be saying, moving out of the normal world and into an optimal world of lifestyle? Is that within reach? I think it is. And let me share with you just some of the ideas that we have about dealing with obesity, which is the outside ramifications of a poor diet. What would happen if we could introduce you to a mechanism where your satiety is up, meaning you're not hungry, all your vitamins and minerals are in organic form in your gut, your digestive system is functioning, where depression begins, and the brain between your ears, we show you how to clean that. Oh my. And then this thing called autophagy, where you literally clean your own body internally. Clean the arteries, clean the tissue, function so much better. All of these are easily within your reach. You just have to say, you guys may have come upon a solution. And when you start taking care and looking at yourself and saying, I do have an importance. I am involved in my life. And I have a purpose. That's when you start taking a good hard look at what you're eating, what you're drinking, what you're looking at, what you're listening to. All of these things are available to you. And I will guarantee you a life that is entirely different. You see, the Hebrew talks about freedom, what we call freedom, the ability to do whatever you want to do, but the Hebrew word is redemption. Being forgiven for all of these things and clean your body. And once that's done, then you have that privilege of going to a friend and showing them the route that you took. And we all have a kind of a history that we'd like to walk away from, and that's there. It is available to us. Here at Nefesh, we're going to introduce you to Foundation to you. Looks like it's going to rain on me, so I'll let you go.